Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is something that I was talking about. We talked about how Windows 11, I had this video where we talked about how it is going to succeed whatever happens, even if they don't change the minimum requirements, because a big chunk of the market and the business goes there to Windows anyways, and you still have almost 5 years of Windows 10 left, so people are, I think, overreacting and not understanding that by the time you get to the end of Windows 10, there's a big chance your PC is going to be changed with something else. And that something else, well, I talked about it, how it's maybe not a Windows PC. I was talking about one of the major places where the market share is growing real fast is the market share for Chromebooks. And Canalys here has of course, analysis of the laptop or the PC sales in general. And now it's pretty amazing because of all PCs sold right now, and you see it on the left, it says 13% of them are Chromebooks. That means that right now, 1 out of 10 PCs sold is a Chromebook. And that, at 13%, beats Apple. And it's growing at a pace that is pretty amazing. For the first quarter of this year, well, the first half of this year, pretty much. I mean, it's increasing faster than regular Windows PCs. And if there is to be one danger for Windows and for Microsoft in the future, Chromebooks are probably the danger. I was saying, and I also, for the last 20 years, and for the 15 years that I was a tech guy, there is no shift to Linux. It doesn't happen. There is no shift to Mac. It doesn't happen. Their market shares, both of them, have remained stable and pretty much the same for the last 20 years. Windows is losing on other grounds. Windows is losing on smartphones, Android, stuff like that, tablets. But right now it's losing mostly to Chromebooks. And this is going to be an interesting look for the future, because more and more Chromebooks, that means that we'll be in a shifting world. And it's interesting to see that they're able to get so much. And they were saying in the documentation that it's not just for regular folks, it's not just the user at home. It also is business at some point, and government. Of course, a lot of schools are getting on the Chromebook, so this is what is really the danger for Windows in the future. It's Chromebooks and nothing else. And of course, mobile devices of all sorts. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.